Here we are at the table. Let's move the sun. Glue the grass. And now we can make some butterflies. I have circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 big. 1, 2 small. 5 circles. Let's make a purple butterfly. Start like this and fold in half. And now put this here. It's a butterfly. Purple. Red. And my favorite, blue. 1, 2, 3 butterflies. Let's glue them in the sky. 1 here, red. 1 here, blue. Blue butterfly in the blue sky. And purple here. Let's do the antennae. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm going to put some flowers. Flowers. Let's put flowers in the garden. Different flowers. Oh, pink. There's my picture with the sun. Beautiful.